Peggy 7.
Not my best moment. But hey, even when facing certain doom, I still look good. It was just a regular day, foiling another one of Dr. Eggman's evil plans. Uh-oh. The next thing I know, we're on the steps of some really old and smelly tomb. Then, old Snake Breath here gets out, which really put a damper on my weekend plans.
I'm going to rid this world of all organic life forms and rebuild it piece by robotic piece.
Somebody needs a hug.
Cliff! Thank goodness we found you!
I didn't know I was missing.
The time has come to finish what we started. Rise, my warriors!
This is going to be so awesome!
Finally, an easy one.
Whoa!
You just had to say something, didn't you?